In modern society, we need more protection from our own people. Because in the ancient times, humans are not kill humans. Humans are attacked by the other beings, like animals. Like dinosaur periods, dinosaurs attack the humans. We can't believe everyone is good people in this world because there's a 5 finger is not the same size of each one. Each one is different. So each people are different. Each climate is different. Each country was different. So each people are thinking different. So they are trying to attacking you, some kind of domination they put on you. At that time you have to protect yourself. That's the reasons we are learning self-defense through health and health as well, to protecting our health. Like external people who show the external strength, but the inner people, they are reflecting the strength.
So the difference is not just the physical strength.
Welcome to Jothi Silambam Kshakthiriya Gurukulam. Today we have the guest, and we have this guy who came from all the way from Canada. So his name is Jothi Valdas, and he is from Calcutta. He have already practicing martial arts, Korean martial arts. I think some of them very traditional arts he's followed up. So we have interesting to interactions. Yes, please welcome Jothi, and tell me what is your doubt. You have anything about?
Thank you, Asan. So my question is, as a practitioner of traditional martial arts, why should we learn the martial arts in a modern, peaceful society?
Yeah, but that's very important. That's a very clever question. But you know what is the main things of defense? Okay, the defense art. Okay, we don't destroy the peace of this modern society or anything, but we have to protecting our health. That is our everybody have the freedom to protecting their own health, and everybody have freedom to protect themselves. That is the nature of all beings in this planet. Our traditions. In modern society, we need more protection from our own people. Because in the ancient times, humans are not kill humans. Humans are attacked by the other beings, like animals. Like dinosaur periods, dinosaurs attack the humans, and the tigers attack the humans, other animals attack the humans. In these centuries, there's no other dangerous animals to attack the humans. Who will attack the humans? The other humans will attack the humans. So that is the reason of that. We have the freedom to take care of ourselves, protecting ourselves. That's the reasons we need our own protections. But we are not destroying any peace. We are destroying our health only through our protections. We are not go and jumping to fight. All the warriors, all the defense, all the protectors, they're never going to be the first attacker. Who will be a first attacker? The people who are unknown themselves. They are lost themselves. They doesn't know their identity. They are the one offense that's modern or traditional people. So if you're angry towards you, they don't know about themselves. That's why the anger towards you. So that's that type of issues, that type of scenario, you have to look after yourself. We can't believe everyone is good people in this world because there's a 5 finger is not the same size of each one. Each one is different. So each people are different. Each climate is different. Each country was different. So each people are thinking different. So they are trying to attacking you, some kind of domination they put on you. At that time you have to protect yourself. That's the reasons we are learning self-defense through health and health as well, to protecting our health. Do you have any doubt about this?
Well, it makes me think that today many people are concerned to develop external strength, so they go to the gym. But what are the internal benefits of this practice?
Yes, but you know, external strength is like a shell of the body. Okay, internal is the core of the body. So, like example, you need external strength or internal strength depends on your mindset. It's everybody's mindset. Because, like example, some trees shells are the skins are stronger than in core. Some trees or cores are stronger than skins. So, but both are needed. This planet is everything we need. Some people want to be show off. Some people don't want to show off, but they are the real people. Show off people is not real people. People who are protecting the soft, kind protections, peace, and they are the real people. So the core is inside the trees, not the outside the trees. But if you go for some trees, the core is outside of the trees. Inside is hollow. Is a bamboo. Example, this bamboo. Where is the strength of the bamboo? The outside, the shell. Okay, but inside, empty. But still we need bamboos, isn't it? That's like this. Peoples are two-way. There are some people build strength inside, some people build the strength in outside. But outside people, not forever. But inside people, they are hearty people. They are true warriors. Outside people, they are soldiers. That's the two things. Simplest. You want to be a soldier or you want to be a warrior. Difference between two, soldiers and warriors.
One lives, one dies.
One lives, one dies. But warriors, they reflect the enemy. Soldiers, they are the first moves they start from attack. That's the soldiers. Warriors, second, reflecting the movements, not the first movement. So that is between the soldiers and warriors. Like external people who show the external strength, but the inner people, they are reflecting the strength.
So the difference is not just the physical strength, but it's a mental core.
Mental core. Both are coordinating together only. If you externally you are fit, your mind is quick reflections from external way. But inner core, they are think and reflected. They are not reflected straight away. So that is the body, mind. It's the same way of working. Inner core, you are working for a core muscles. Core strength. Like a tiger, example, take a tiger. Okay, tigers are core or external? Core. Did you seen any tiger have muscles or body building on the muscles? No, you never seen anything, isn't it? But the core is powerful. You can't imagine how much strength they have inside the body. But that is the one core people you can't identify. But external people identify, quick identify. So you can quickly, people think, oh, he's look like this, he's like a soldier or warrior. So people can straight away fight with him. But core people, very spiritual, calm, peaceful people, not identify quickly. Understood? Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah. That's a really good question, that modern society was destroying all the external core strength. Is all about the external strength, how you look, how the people look at you. And that is one thing, the makeup comes, when the makeup comes, is external or internal? External. After the rain comes, where is the makeup gone? When rain comes, makeup gone where? With water, isn't it? So don't make you up, just be yourself. That's a true strength.
One more question. I think many people from the West are interested in yoga, come to India, Auroville, Pondicherry to practice yoga, but they don't know about Mepadam and the difference between the two forms.
Yeah, that's a very good question as well, because in ancient times, the start yoga is very, very necessary because everybody is strong. There's no flexibility in the body. Everybody is like a giant. People are giant, enormous strength. You can, the one man is equal to 8 gorillas. Now, one man equal to 8 gorillas. That means that much 8 gorilla strength man have. Now, the man is a loser. Now, one man who's not even 8 man is equal to 1 gorilla. You understand how it changes? So like this, to completely turn over. So 8 gorilla strength 1 man have, 8 man strength gorilla have. And that is the strength of the human connections. They are understanding the strength. So that means gorilla was very strong nature and strong body build. But gorilla never show the muscles on. But their pride is the strength. Gorilla always be pride of themselves because the strength is hidden under the pride. That's why they are leadership living beings. Because gorilla is leadership living beings, like a human beings. Because humans are leadership beings. Because look, I am protector. Come under back. I will protect all of you. So it's a leadership quality. So gorilla have the same quality. But that type of nature of human beings have. You got it, yeah? The point. So that is the strength of the human and the animals. Completely it's wash out. So all the human quality is wash out. All human nature is wash out. All humans are lost their brain, lost the identity of this planet. They're not connecting to this planet. They can't connecting to the energy. They're not connecting to the nature. So everything they modified. Everything go out of that world. So everything is, I don't touch the sand. I don't touch the, oh my God, why you don't touch the sand? Sand is a natural healer. Sleep on the sand. Put the child on the playing on the sand. But now, I can't touch the sand. I can't sleep on the trees. What? Why you can't touch on trees? Bugs is there. So there are so many things are changing. Nowadays, entire humans are not humans. We are like a, what you call the hybrid humans. We are hybrid humans now, not genetic humans. Hybrid humans. Small issues, people will be die. Small issues, people die. How it possible? Where the humans are 1,000 and thousands and thousands of years, 60,000 years culture we have, small virus can kill us. Why? We are already introduced all the virus only from the beginning to now. And why we are lost everything? That is the revolutions of that world. So we have to always connecting our life with the nature. That is more important in this world. You have to connect it, everything with yourself, the nature. There's a tree and you have to be connected. Like we are like a fully 99% the stem cell of the tree is same as you. 1% only you are walking and talking. 1% different. And that means, and 1% how much changes. You don't think the trees have the brain. The trees have the brain. If the trees have no brain, and why the fruits comes on the season time? Exactly the season times why the fruits comes if you have no brain. And why the taste is not the same. It's always the same. They have a brain. Exactly the same taste they give, same color they give, same season they give, and the same time they will ripe. Everything was have the brain. We don't recognize other beings, other living beings in this world because we are lost. We don't understand our own beings as well. Own health we don't understand. That's my questions of yours. Any other questions you want to know?
No, that's all for now.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yeah.